pretty. They seem pretty friendly with each other. Gosh, there's just skinks everywhere. It's probably the first, well, it's been a few days since they've had some, well, a few weeks since they've had some warmth. I think they're just all out hunting.
Yeah.
One just picked up a bug off the ground. You're a big one. Whoop. Oh, it's very pretty. Come on, say hello to my camera. Must be used to tourists taking photos.
This is my best profile.
Yeah. Actually, I think the other side is skink. Oh, did you see that?
It rolled.
He did.
It
He's looking at itself in the mirror. Come on, other little one. Yeah. It's got very pretty markings when you get up close. Whoop. Oh yeah, it's picked something up. Oh, it's getting lots of little ants, I think. It'll do the rolly thing again. See? Whoa. The ones in the background just had a bit of a tussle. Okay, skink, we'll leave you to it. Well, you're not very, oh, you're covered in ants, aren't you?